Tonga's allure for photographers is undeniable, with its breathtaking landscapes and vibrant culture. To ensure you capture the essence of this Polynesian paradise, research is key. Understand the best times for specific shots, like the annual migration of humpback whales or the colorful traditional festivals. This preparation will set the stage for stunning imagery. Your gear can make or break your travel photography in Tonga. A versatile camera body and a selection of lenses, from wide-angle for landscapes to telephoto for distant details, are essential. Don't forget to safeguard your equipment against Tonga's tropical climate with waterproof bags, extra batteries, and cleaning kits. The golden hour in Tonga transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. This magical time after sunrise or before sunset provides a warm, golden glow that enhances every photograph. Capture the changing light and its effects on landscapes and seascapes, and watch as your images come alive with depth and warmth. Dive into Tonga's underwater spectacle to photograph humpback whales and vibrant coral reefs. An underwater housing for your camera is a must for this adventure. Remember, mastering buoyancy and lighting is crucial for clear, vibrant underwater shots. Local guides can lead you to the best dive spots for unforgettable images. Tonga's heart lies in its people. Engaging with locals offers a chance to capture authentic portraits and candid moments. Respect and empathy are paramount. Ask for permission and connect with your subjects. This approach not only enriches your experience but also brings depth to your photographs. Venture beyond the tourist trails to uncover Tonga's diverse landscapes. From serene beaches to volcanic formations, each scene offers a unique story. Experiment with composition and perspective to create images that resonate with viewers and showcase Tonga's natural splendor. Tonga's cultural festivals are a riot of color and energy. Timing your visit with events like the Hilala Festival allows you to document the vibrancy of Tongan traditions. Wide-angle shots capture the atmosphere, while close-ups reveal the emotion and detail of these cultural celebrations. The devil is in the details, and in Tonga, they are everywhere. From traditional crafts to natural patterns, these small elements add richness to your visual narrative. Close-up shots of these details can provide an intimate glimpse into the island's culture and environment. Post-processing is the final touch that brings out the best in your photographs. Use editing software judiciously to enhance, not overpower, the natural beauty of your shots. Share your work to inspire others and contribute to the appreciation of Tonga's splendor. In conclusion, Tonga is a treasure trove for travel photographers. With careful planning, the right equipment, and a respectful approach, you can capture the island's soul. Whether it's the golden hour's magic, the underwater marvels, or the warmth of its people, Tonga awaits with scenes that beg to be photographed. Happy shooting! Book with a Tonga specialist at Far and Away Adventures.